Good morning students once again. In previous video we are discuss about two spinal curvature deformity, lordosis and scoliosis, their causes and their corrective measure. Now we are going to discuss new topic, limb deformity or leg deformity. First one is knock knee. It is one of the major postural deformity. In this deformity, a person knee knock or touch. In this deformity, a person knee knock or touch each other in normal standing position. In normal standing position, the gap between ankle सब लोग जानते हैं कहाँ होते हैं. Yes, okay. The ankle increased. The gap between ankle increased. Those person suffering from knock knee, those person suffering from knock knee, they face problem in walking and running. Such kind of person also not perform good in sports field, or we can say a person who suffering from this deformity cannot become a good player, cannot become a good player, and such kind of person even not selected in defense services. It means जिस पर्सन को ये डिफॉर्मिटी है वो पर्सन डिफेंस सर्विसेज, एयरफोर्स, आर्मी कहीं भी सेलेक्ट नहीं हो सकता है. causes of knock knee. First causes is lacking of vitamin D and calcium in our body, lacking of vitamin D and calcium. Second, obesity in children. Obesity in children. A child who has obesity in their childhood stage, he also suffering from knock knee, or we can say the chances of knock knee should be increased. Next is chronic illness and force baby to walk in early stage. बहुत कम उम्र में बच्चों को वॉक कराना. Remedies, the corrective measure of knock knee. First one, horse riding is one of the best exercise to correcting knock knee. Horse riding is one of the best exercise. Second, keep pillow between knees. Keep pillow between knees and stand erect. Stand in straight position. Third one is perform lotus pose. Lotus pose means padmasan, मतलब padmasan, and perform Gomukhasana. Fourth, intake proper amount of calcium and phosphorus. In your diet, you must include proper amount of calcium and phosphorus. Now we are moving on to next, bow legs. Bow leg is the opposite deformity of knock knee. It is opposite deformity of knock knee. In this deformity, there is a wide gap. There is a wide gap between both knee. knock knee में जहाँ दोनों के बीच गैप नहीं रहता, वहीं बो लेग्स में दोनों नीज के बीच में गैप जनरेट होता है. while standing in erect position. While standing in erect position. In this deformity, person also face. In this deformity, person also face problem in running and walking. Running and walking. Just like knock-knee, the causes are very similar. Causes like lacking of vitamin D and calcium, just like knock-knee, lacking of vitamin D and calcium in a person diet. Second, overweight in childhood stage. Overweight or obesity is one of reason. Third, chronic illness. And fourth one, as same as knock-knee, force baby to walk in their early stage. बच्चे को बहुत जल्दी स्टेज में चलाने की कोशिश में उसकी जो वीक बोन्स और मसल्स होती हैं वो साइड से बेंड हो जाती हैं और वो बच्चा सफरिंग करता है बो लेग से. Corrective measure of bow legs are following. Corrective measure of bow legs are following. First one is walking on the inner edge of feet. Second, walking by bending toes inside. अपने टोज को अंदर की तरफ मोड़कर अपने टोज को अंदर की तरफ बेंड कर कर मूव करना. परफॉर्म ईगल पोज. ईगल पोज मीन्स गरुड़ासन. परफॉर्म ईगल पोज गरुड़ासन एंड अर्धचक्रासन. परफॉर्म these asan. It is helpful for correcting bow leg as well as intake of proper diet consists of calcium and phosphorus in it. Next postural deformity we can discuss in next video.